Hello, everybody. Welcome to another exciting day in room 509, learning about biology. I'm not there today because I am doing some other stuff. But no big deal. Here's our schedule for today. First, you guys are going to complete the genetics practice exams that I left for you. There is a multiple choice section and a written section with the Punnett squares. Is it our test that we're going to have on Monday? No, it's not. So feel free to keep it. Feel free to use it to study on, take pictures of it. I don't care. It's not our test on Monday. And yes, our test is Monday for you regular bio students. So you're going to try to answer all the questions you can. Feel free to do this in pairs. Don't use your notes. See how much you know. If you're unsure of how to do a question, you can either guess or leave it blank, because in a little while I am going to post an ed puzzle, which is not notes, but it's going to go over all of the answers to the practice exam that you are taking. So, make sure you watch the ed puzzle. I'll know if you watched it or not, and make corrections. Then feel free to use this practice exam as a study guide this weekend, because although it's not going to be our exam, it's going to be pretty similar to what our exam is. So if you can get all these questions right, congratulations. You will do extremely well on Monday's exam, which is not that long and it's not that hard. Today honors averaged like 89% on it, or actually higher than that. So I think you guys will do fine. And the third thing we're going to do today is we're going to be ridiculously well behaved for the substitute teacher. Remember, when I am not there, the substitute teacher is the boss. I'm not the boss anymore. You're definitely not the boss. So, if the substitute teacher doesn't want you to sit in the back for whatever reason, you don't say, but Mr. Oroso lets us. No, Mr. Oroso's not there. I'm not the boss anymore. It's the substitute. If the substitute says no headphones, no listening to music or whatever, sorry, no music for today, because I am not the boss. The substitute is the boss. If you get a ridiculously good report from the sub, I will add many points to your exam on Monday. If your report is just good, sorry. Burk, burk. No extra points. So, if you're not working, make it look like you're working. No yelling and screaming. Stay in your seats. No throwing trash all over the place. Act like professional students. Behave properly. And we can add some more points to your score on Monday. All right. Enjoy your day. Do the best you can on the practice exam. And do not forget, I will be posting the ed puzzle shortly. So look back on Google Classroom and you can make all the corrections that you need.